Hello everyone, Samuel here from myforestmagicweb.com. Making this a small video about the subscription, the Magic IB system subscription service. So let's get started. I just want to show you what is it all about. So the first thing that I want to show you that what the system is doing for me and what you can do once you learn it. Okay. Once you get it and learn it, what you will be able to do it because you're gonna copy what I'm doing. And I do live webinars for my subscribers twice a week where I teach the system, not only this but everything else. Everything has to do with the forex trading. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm gonna show you the trades I did last week using this system alone. Okay. Uh, the week ended on June 5th, okay, 2020. Today is Saturday, actually Sunday morning, right? So, all right, this is the week started on the 31st May. So this is my first trade, Euro Aussie, as soon as the market opened up and went up and then started dropping here because of the Aussie weakness, Aussie strength. Okay, so 31st, this is the first trade, the second pound Aussie, 20-minute, same lookalike setup, and it went down for 100 pip. Right, on the left, you'll see this yellow mark. This is where you will see my order and SL move to break even plus. This is the entry spot here. After the setup is built, this indicates all the way up, and this is how my setup is. Now, this just the opposite, going to the upside. This is a buy order here on June 1st, 140 pip. June 1st, Aussie USD. This was the trade, but this is the entry I'm showing here. Buy right here, the second entry, trade, 90 pip. This was on the 27th May, actually. And okay, so this one again, pound yen on the June 1st, 130 pip. This is the entry here, buy order here, SL move to break even. And then even if you don't make this, and this was an entry, this was an entry, and this, all of these entries. This system gives you so many entries. USD CAD, it's supposed to drop. My weekly chart said so, and it did. And sell order here on June 1st, 140 pip. Okay, this is all in 1 week, last week. June 2nd, Aussie yen, look at that, 250 pip, because Aussie was getting strong and yen started getting weaker as well. So the imbalance increased a lot between these two currencies and end up with giving me 250 pip. Here on the second, euro yen, because of the yen weakness, all yen pairs went up. So euro yen also, and all of these were trade I have recorded. I have the charts. So this one I recorded here. See the buy order, SL move to break even. Right here, this indicates all the way down, 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 down. All of these are entry. This is the entry, but I didn't take this one because I was in here. All right, so on the second, and then this is on the second again, pound yen for 70. This is from the 7-minute chart. Okay, sometimes when the volume is slow, volume is not, low, and then the market is not moving fast, then you have, I take the entry from 7-minute chart, and I teach all of that in my webinars to my subscribers, when to do and what to do and how to do. So pound USD here, buy entry on the second, right? Let me speed up a little bit because a lot of trades there. Pound yen, 110 pip to the upside on the second. On the second again, USD, Aussie USD, right? For 130 pip from here to here. Pound Newsy, 120 pip, beautiful by the book entry, and went all the way down. On the second, pound Aussie, 120 pip. This is from 7-minute chart. Sell order here. This is all by the setup. I'm Magic Ivy setup according to the setup. It's nothing random. If the setup is not there, I do not make the entry. This is also 7-minute chart entry, sell order for 120 pip as well. Euro Aussie on the second. On the 3rd June, Euro Aussie going up again. And here's the beautiful entry. Indicators all the way down. Price is above the wave. Yellow is above the black. Boom, gone with the wind, 100 pip here. Euro Aussie again, that was a trade, and then 7-minute again on the third, buy order here for 50 pip more. On the third, pound Aussie also here, from the entry from here all the way, you can see here, buy order, SL move to break even plus 100 pips, 100 plus. Usually it's like 110, 115. I just write 100 pip plus, Pound Aussie sell order, see this here as SL move, excuse me, June 3rd, pound Aussie, 7-minute. A lot of trades, in this week. Pound yen buy order 65 pip on the 3rd. On the 3rd June, euro yen buy order. It is already moved. These pairs already have gone too far, and so these are like small trades, and I closed them early because they have gone up already too far. Euro USD, I was in here and then it didn't move much, so I held the trade into the next day, and the next day the entry came, another entry I took, and then it went up. First entry 125 pip, second entry 95 pip. Both entries are here. All right. I record the chart and then I close the trade. This is on the 4th. Euro yen again 160 pip from here to there. It is because after the ECB conference, European Union conference, red news. After that, euro got strong, and then euro Aussie again. Euro got strong, so all euro pair went up. Euro yen went up. This is euro Aussie 100 pip, and you saw the euro USD. Two entries there, right? That happened after the ECB. Aussie yen, Aussie USD on the 5th again going up. Aussie was getting very, very strong, so keep going up. USD yen buy order 75 pip on the 5th. All of these trades, almost 28 trades in last week. Aussie yen again, one more entry by entry here on the 5th Friday, and for 65 pip. And pound USD on the 5th, again 80 pip here. Buy order SL move to break even. And pound yen on Friday, this is the big one, 210 pips so far. Pound was getting strong and yen was getting weaker, and this is my buy entry. This is the SL move here, and actually I was in here way before the NFP on Friday, and I was here when NFP happened, and I says, well, I'm gonna hold and see if it goes more to the upside or will come back and hit my SL, so no big deal. Right, so it went up, and I was up 100 pip positive already, and then it went up for another 100 pip, ending up 210 pip trade. I closed the trade because the target is just above there. 4,000 is the huge number, right? So these are the trades, and this is another one on the 5th to the Friday. Pound Aussie 80 pip right from here to there, and it came back, right? So these are the trades, almost 28 trades, exactly 28 trades in 1 week. You can total the, and then, it may be 7 to 8 SL hit, and the SL is always 25 pip. See, this setup is that I open the trade after a couple of blue candles, and I place the stop right behind this. Just the opposite for the sell order. Okay, just the opposite of the sell order. If I have any, I show you. So everything buy. Okay, this sell order, I open the trade right here, right? And then SL is here. So on a 7-minute, it's only 13 pip SL. On 20-minute setup, it's 25 pip. So even if I have, let's say, 10 SL hit, that's 25 times 10 is 210 pip, right? Minus the 3,000 pip. Then you do the math, okay? So I'm going to move on, and then I will show you some of my analysis of the charts with the analysis. For example, those entries are not random. They are based on my weekly chart analysis, which I share with my subscribers on the webinars, which I hold Sunday and Wednesday, 4 p.m. And I go over with all these charts. I make the new charts, I go over with that, and then I tell everyone that, look, this is what is going to happen in these pairs, and this is what we're supposed to do. So this one, pound index, right? I said we're gonna go from here to here. So far, it bounced and then it went up pound got strong as we were expecting, and that's why I have pound Aussie, pound yen, and pound USD long, all those long trades because of this. Similarly, this was pound yen harmonic pattern calculation bouncing from a 38% line. So I said, okay, we're gonna go up here at 127. So here we go here, and then we end up here at that level. Even 127 is here, so it's a bigger butterfly at 35.55. So you see, so many hundreds of pips from here to there. Similarly, USD CAD, I said we're gonna drop from here to here, and it came all the way down here. Let's see, like here. So you saw the USD CAD trade I had for 140 pip because of that chart. All USD pairs I traded because of this chart. I said we're gonna turn from here and go down. A lot of people told me that you are crazy, but I said, okay, that's my analysis and that's my calculation. It's telling me the US dollar is gonna drop and get weaker from there. And look what happens exactly from there. It dropped all the way here. Right now it's here. Okay, so these are the analysis. Now, if USD index is dropping, means USD is getting weaker, and you have 7 pairs involving USD, right? Your USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, USD. When USD is getting weaker, these 4 pairs will go up, and the other 3 pairs, USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen, will go down. So you have multiple choice in your hand if you can do analysis and catch the right direction, which I do for my subscribers. Right? All you have to do is just pull the trigger when the setup is there. When the setup is ready, what happened? I have when you subscribe, I give you all the indicators necessary for this these charts, right? For example, where it go? Let me see where the charts go, man. All right, it's there here, right? Okay, here. These, right? So these candles are called Renko candle, but I have Renko plus something else mixed in it. So that's why they look like this. And so the indicator, there's a custom indicator that draw these candles, right? So I give you that. And all the other indicators like this one, I have it the Sam's high and low. This indicator is very, very important. And these are MAs here, right? EMAs. So these indicators plus I give you the alarm EA, the expert advisor, and it's called Magic IB alarm. When the setup is about to happen and it's about to get ready, the alarm will start beeping, okay, and alerting you. If you are not in the room, it start beeping, and then you can come and see. And the last condition, just before the last condition, the setup has 4 conditions, right? So when 3 conditions are met, the alarm start beeping. Then you come and then start watching that pair for the 4th and final condition. If that happened, we open the trade and we put the SL and we walk away. Simple as that. And then later on, come after a couple hours, not couple hours, I mean maybe 7-8 hours or a day, and then you find yourself something like this: 200 pip, 150 pip, 100 pip. All right, people close their trades very early because they don't know the target. The target is very, very important. Each pair moves differently. Each pair posts daily range different. Daily range. For example, if Euro Aussie nowadays, it moves almost 300 pips a day, right? But there are pairs which don't even move 100 pips a day. So you cannot hold. If the pair does not move 100 pips or it moves less than 100 pip, how are you going to hold and make 200 pip out of that? Nowhere, right? But if pound yen moves 280 pip a day, then you can hold the trade for 200 pip and still get away with that, right? So this is all these things I teach in my webinars, which again I said Sunday and Wednesday at 4 p.m. I hold. Now, let me show you a couple of other things that you're going to get. Is, for example, here, this is my YouTube channel, right? This is my regular YouTube channel. I have almost my 1,500 videos there. But what you're going to get is this. This is, you can see this is how to use news effectively, how to, I traded this and how to determine the target once you open a trade. How this is understanding Elliott wave. This is the private YouTube list which you get, and all of these how to. It's a lot of tons of very, very useful information about the forex market, how to use 40-minute, how to make a precise entry, right? And how to make how to use the magic okay, how to know how which pair is beeping, how to use the magic IV alarm system, like how to open index charts, how to use it's a lot of them here, right? I can go on and on and on and on, but they are all useful. How to make a profile to watch multiple charts at the same currency on one screen. So these are very important, informative videos, which you must have, or at least know about this, right? So you get this, you get access to this list, and this one is where all my webinars are recorded. Previous webinars recordings are. So you get to have the access, and then you can go and then watch these recordings. That how I did the analysis on the previous webinar and what happened. You can follow that. Also, I can and now the last week trades I showed you, but if you go on my other website, then you can see this is week before last week. All of these trades here, right? You see this 25th May and 29 May. So you can see the trades 29, 29, 29, 29, 28, 28. All every week the same story, same setups comes again and again, same pairs, right? And after that, the week before that, which ended on 22nd May, you can see these trades, and you can go on and on. I mean, it's like hundreds of trades here, hundreds of weeks. You can continue going. Stop, man. What's up? You see all of these trades, and then you can go as far as the August 19, and even further than that. So all of these trades are, you see, same thing, same story, same setup, same. This is short here, this is buy here, buy here. You can see the same setup, right? So all of these trades are recorded here. You get to actually have the access to that. Plus, this is my Forex Factory, and you can see that I joined here, Forex Factory website, which everybody knows, right? If you're doing Forex, I joined this, and I opened actually a thread here on February 2008. February. So I'm not a new person. I'm here in this market for more than 15 years, and I know every in and out. Here, my Facebook page. So I'm all over the internet, all over the place. And I have a Twitter account, LinkedIn account, and all of that, right? So you don't need all of that. You just need to um, get get into my webinars twice a week. Get the analysis, do it there, and learn what's need to be done. For example, Sunday webinar, I tell you what to do on Monday and Tuesday. Then when here comes Wednesday again, I get together with everyone and tell and show you the charts, that my analysis, and tell you what to do on Thursday and Friday, which pair going up, which pair going down, what's happening, right? And once in a while I make all the new charts and profiles and everything, and then send out to everyone. So this is what, and then this is the Telegram channel I have, right? This is where I post every setup, when the setup is about to happen, when the news is coming out, all the heads up about the upcoming setups, upcoming news, what to do and what not to do, all of that. So the Telegram channel, I keep my contact with my subscribers. Only I post here, nothing else. I do not talk to anyone, or anyone cannot message me. People message me, but I do not answer, because there's hundreds of people here. I mean, I just cannot do it, right? So it is only for me to post my message here. So for you to take a look at it and then prepare yourself and take the trade, right? For example, this one message is Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie 20-minute short setups are in place. And I took them and I showed them my trades. That's what it is. So this is the Telegram channel. I showed you my FF. And what you're going to get with the subscription is all the indicators, the EA, the alarm EA, which will beep when the setup is ready, and all the instruction videos, how to do this, how to do that. I just showed you. and you will have my full support through email and Skype. If you have if you're having hard time to let's say getting your charts ready, some people do who doesn't have much knowledge of MT4, how to add those indicators or EA in the proper folder, and then apply the templates on the chart, how to open the chart. So I will get on the Skype and I'll guide you and set up your charts for you. And then you will start learning in the webinars and watching the previous recordings, and you will get to do exactly what I'm doing here, right? So at the end of the day, it is up to you and your ability to learn. If you are a quick learner, you will learn very fast because it's not a rocket science. It's very easy. It's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it took me 10 years to learn all of that, but I can teach you in 10 days. That's the thing. I have done it. I have proven it, and you have to just follow and listen to me and follow the instructions, and that's about it. That's it, right? So I think this is it for now, and I probably have mentioned almost everything I needed to. And this is the monthly subscription, and I do have one-on-one coaching as well. That is separate. If you want, you can email me later on, and then we talk about it, and then I can just get on. It is a course consists of 10 hours on the Skype teaching. Okay, so I can do that if you really need to learn the whole business. But if you already learned the whole business and you need just a system and learn about when to open the trade and when to close, it's very important. Why I have these big trades? If I don't know that if this pair can go that far, I would close too early, right? Well, people do that all the time. 40, 50 pip, they'll close it and then they just sit and watch the pair going 200 pip more in that direction, right? And they're scratching their head, why did I close the trade too early? But once you learn for example, let me show you real quick that if this is, for example, Euro Aussie, right? How much it moves a day. So if you need to know that, there's an indicator, right? So if you apply that indicator, you know that see this 60-day average moving on a daily basis, it moves 272 pip. Previous day it moved 159, which was Friday, right? So that means that, see this white line, this is where the day starts. So if the day start and then it's only 20 pip here, that means that it has to go down 240 pip or 260 pip. It can go to the downside easily based on that. So, if you open a trade somewhere here, and this is the entry from 20-minute chart. Here, let me show you, right? Right there, right? So if, in fact, that was the entry here, right? So if this is the entry, you can hold the trade all the way to the downside. This was that previous day. Now this new day open up here, and look how it dropped, right? So you open the trade here, but you do not close here. You hold all the way because you know that it will drop 240 or 260 pip more. If you have early entry here, this is only going up for like 10, 20, 30, 10, maybe 10, 15, 20 pip. But the rest of the pippage will come to the downside from the daily range. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to learn and become a master of this forex trading. So this is it for now. I'm going to close it and hope to see you in my webinars. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful trading career and a wonderful life.